In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and launch a sprint in Jira from your backlog. If you're about to begin a new development cycle and your backlog feels unorganized or your board is still full of leftover work from the last sprint, this process will help you get everything into a clean, usable state before planning begins. Jira gives you a straightforward way to organize stories, estimate effort, and confirm team capacity, so your sprint starts with clarity. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira cloud site or the Atlassian sign-in page. Log in securely, then open the software project you want to work in. Once you're inside the project, look to the navigation menu on the left side and click Backlog. This takes you to the planning area where your issues are stored and ranked. When the backlog view opens, you'll see your list of tasks, stories, and bugs. Near the top of this page, find the Create Sprint button and click it once. Jira will immediately generate a new empty sprint at the top of the backlog. This gives you a dedicated space to start assembling the work for the next cycle. Next, begin moving issues into that sprint. Go through your prioritized backlog, click and hold the issue you want to include, then drag it into the new sprint area and drop it there. Repeat this for the items your team plans to work on. As you add them, keep the order intentional so the most important work is clearly visible and easy to review during planning. After that, add story point estimates to the issues in the sprint. On each issue card, look for the story points field near the right side. Click into it, type the estimate your team agrees on, such as 3, 5, or 8, and press enter. As you do this, Jira updates the total estimated effort for the sprint, which helps you compare the planned workload against your team's expected capacity. If you want a faster method while working through a large backlog, you can also right-click an issue in the backlog. A menu will appear with sprint assignment options. Choose the appropriate sprint, and Jira will move that issue into the sprint without requiring drag and drop. This can be especially helpful during live planning sessions when speed matters. Once your sprint is filled and estimated, it's time for a final review. At the top of the sprint, click Start Sprint. In the window that appears, enter a clear sprint name, choose the duration, and add a concise sprint goal. Before you launch, quickly review the issues and total estimates to make sure the sprint looks balanced and aligned with your team's plan. Then click Start to make the sprint active. That's it. Your sprint is now organized, estimated, and live in Jira, ready for your team to begin work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.